Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to properly take oregano oil. Oregano oil is a powerful herbal supplement known for its many benefits. However, it's crucial to use it correctly to ensure safety and effectiveness. We'll cover essential steps like proper dilution, recommended dosages, and different consumption methods. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement into your routine. Proper dilution is key when taking oregano oil. You should always mix 1 to 3 drops of pure oregano oil with at least 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil. This helps to prevent irritation. You can take this diluted mixture 1 to 3 times per day, depending on your needs and tolerance. Start with a lower dose to see how your body reacts. There are a few common ways to consume diluted oregano oil. Many people prefer to put the diluted oil into an empty gel capsule and swallow it, which helps mask the strong taste. Alternatively, you can add the diluted oil to a small glass of water or juice. It's important to never apply undiluted oregano oil directly to your skin or inside your mouth, as it can cause burning. When starting with oregano oil, always begin with the lowest recommended dose and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. Pay close attention to how you feel, and if you experience any adverse reactions like stomach upset or skin irritation, discontinue use immediately. Remember, quality matters, so choose a reputable brand. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.